long to jing myntoi bat ke jing kat khu ka bakrawi ki Nongri Khñiang bat kum juru ki Nongthaiñ jaiñ ha ka them ri bhoi hadien bo mentri rang ba ka jala kondat ke samau la ple pai pa ya ka wei ka project ka bratip kum ka ri bhoi sil dream e-rise rearing innovation spinning and empowerment balapelun kumba sao pon rupui klur ka banai jing myntoi ya kumba khat ars pa tli ki long yeng ha santli ki blong jong ka them ri bhoi ke ba im da ka than ka wen bat ka kamri khnyang ban pin mi yok sai ban than jan ka thong jong ni ka project ka long ban pin khlan ya ka jing pin mi yok sai ban pinan kam ha ka jing than jan ban kin tiu ka yo kam yo jam ha ki than nyong kon nong kham tam ban kin tiu ya ka yo ka khot ki long ka mi ki ba ju ka mai da ka ni ka kam kham tam ban pin long ya ka ri bhoi kum ka wei ni ki district ka ban nam khman ha ka ri hi baro ka wei halon ka jing pin mi ye ki jan ki pam pinan kam da wai ha ka ni ka sin lor mentri rang ba la sakhiru da ka jing don lang uba sustenance soton mentri ka tanat CNRD ka jilla u Dr. Silston Lingdo MLA kumsning uba Meryl Bon sim MLA ka nongpo ka kongrona khemde MDC ka nongpo Wabilash Branwal Deputy Commissioner ka ribhoi ugiri Prasad Superintendent of Police ka ribhoi ki officer na kitna sokar ba phepen ki nongelam shnong lembat ki kan hun SHGS ki Nongthaiñ jaiñ ki Nongri Khñiang bat ki we Shushu ha ka ni ka jing lang mentri rang ba la pan banaru ya ka jing stang i project pen roi ki ba kong san na ka benta ka than ribhoi ulabu maunong rem bantai ya madani leka jong kom sning sports and cultural club ka badan hapatarim ka ba on pen wandur ha ka rokam ka ba pakaring kan ki jaka shong pan ba ha ka jing lut ka ba kon shaka saw pon nyop huai klur ha ka jo ko por ula palai pat baru ya ka fellow app ka bala shna karpang banyarap ya ki samla pulie har ribhoi district kani ka app ka thmu banai jing ram arp saw kenta ya ki khina school nado ka class 9 hado class 12 lyngba ki notes ki jing rap pulie bat ki wei ki jing don kam baya day bat ka pulie na lor kata ka fellow apps kan long ru ka jing ram ka ba kongsan ki tu ki samla ki ba la dep ka class 12 ha ka ba ki nyo jing rap pan pen khre ki examen bat ban wat kam la ka long ha ki kam sarkar jilla ne sarkar preng
To honor the achievement, may I humbly request our Honorable Chief Minister the inspection of the spinning machines. It is my humble request. Our Honorable Chief Minister will also be receiving a jacket which is made locally.
Mentang malah kening mesin kan no gram. 3 kilo. Even to 1 kilo up to almost 4 times increase. Mondang chua cipawa mentai 1 kilo malah kening mesin. Jadi woi rokong sayong. Itu it can be backed up by solar power also.
This stone marks a new chapter in the district's sports infrastructure development. Aba baro menta imentri rang ba lem bat ki ki mentri bat ki menta ki play perdano e ubano rim balsnai ka mini stadium hangni ha umsling patarin ka snong be jumpi Bagi beneficiaries Melayu yang akan cek na imentri rang ba ni. Ikaw ibanala ay molong ide iwe na ki beneficiaries bala pandem ya bani ka Joga project irai rayo yang machine makinet namentara project irai sobharnya kaki namentara hati berisibu.
Never limit a student's potential. The district administration is providing 24/7 live personal teachers for every single student who they can connect to instantly. Whenever you have a question or get stuck on a difficult topic, just snap a photo. Within 60 seconds, you're connected to a top teacher for live one-on-one guidance. It is instant learning, right at your fingertips.
Now, bulb is given that it's operating at 220 volt. And across the bulb, the battery voltage is 40 volt. And we have any other demonstration?
And for our 12th class students, the project brings specialized live two-way coaching to help you crack government job exams and secure your future. Project Aspire is already on the ground, right here in Riboi, changing the way our students learn and grow every single day.
But the Nongthaiñ constituency barak boy, hakaba ngin sayo, ya ke jimbu ya mau nongrim, bansna ya ke mini stadium, hapok kene kamanan. Ya jinganut ke balayai la kumba artos tentam. Ngidon dulu, kene ke program ke ba lai terteng ke e-rise, hakaba ini bat ke kanjang, ke wironi jaiñ India bat tunta terteng. Dikini ki apa di program, ngile apa umsting mentagasni, ban rakhe omdei tang nakadau terkini ki apa di kimat. Ngapa an keren ni? Bagaimana kadai ke program atau baga sorga kerake ya ke jingga prasnem apa ke jinggalan jom ke sorga MBA prasnem kilayat Islam bagi ki jingla ki bagi layoi. So today, in every heart, in every thought, and on every lips of the people of Nongthaiñ, the only word that comes to the mind is thank you. Thank you because when you visited us on the 27th of November last year, it was exactly 4 months ago. And in these 4 months, the mini stadium has materialized. In these 4 months, the solar street lighting for Nongthaiñ town has been completed. In these 4 months, the water problem that we face.
Burung kebakrau, ya ka visionary leadership, kajong honorable chief minister Jomi, usah komrat ni sama. Halo kajing, yo icnai kat kajing, lendane kajing IT kedu, nak kebenca kumlo barang-barang, ya kejela kejumi. Bahkan mana kan kiu state baru kebenca. Kajing kublai kebakarpan, congratulations. Yai Dr. Celestine, Nangka Parikpadba, Jong Nongthaiñ, Nagamansa Kenika Stadium, Kaba Pinsayo on Sedang No Shen. Gumuway na kinong mikmat, Hakatan Riboy, Nasogunay, Kajiro, Ekasokal, Kaba Plemlek Shiliang, Lenin Yo Shiliang, Nagda Katem Riboy Kabi Kajumi. Lagi pai amang na constituency, ngini ke jingkala, kabana ka way kasi siya ka way pat. Na way panay siya ka way pat, na way snem siya way pat. Kide baro, kide lyngba, kajing IT, bat kajing original, kajing Preston, kajing honorable chief minister, nakabantaban kintil, yang ka Riboy district.
To meet the people of Nongthaiñ
to have a CM Connect program to interact with the people, to listen to their grievances. As a government, we have always believed that for any leadership, any department, or any official to be able to bring the changes and the development that is required, we must listen to the people. We must connect with the people. Sometimes, as politicians and as government, we become very complacent. We take things very easy. And we wake up only when the election arrives. This is not the kind of governance that this MDA government wants to give. We want to be a responsive government. We want to be a government that connects with our people, listens to its people, and delivers in a timely manner. It was in that CM Connect program which I had right here in Nongthaiñ. I was told about the street lights, and within a matter of couple of months, with the help and support of your very dynamic local MLA, we were able to provide the street lights. In this field, there was a demand for a mini stadium to be constructed. And within 4 months, we are here today with the sanction, the administrative approval, and we are today here to lay the foundation stone for that particular mini stadium. There was a request that the Jal Jeevan Mission program of the Greater Nongthaiñ water supply was affected because of the road construction. We immediately called the meeting, and as mentioned by DC, majority and by our local MLA, majority of the issues have been resolved. Some additional features and additional lines have been demanded by the people. We are working on those also. There were many road projects that were requested. I'm happy to inform you, some have been sanctioned, some will be sanctioned in the days to come. Because we also have financial constraints. We cannot sanction everything in one go. But the process has started. And the reason why we do this, I want to share this with you also. The reason that we do this. I was talking to Dr. Bob just now, and he asked me, sir, in 4 months we have managed to sanction this mini stadium. I have not seen this kind of pace at which schemes are sanctioned ever before. And I was sharing with him that, Doctor, we as politicians, we need to work and we need to have a mindset that keeps telling us and reminding us that election is next year. Don't think election is 2 years later. You tell yourself that election is next year. Because the